In this tutorial, I will show you how to check if a file exists and remove it with Python. So the first thing is, of course, to have a file to remove. So I have created here a file to remove. So just name it file to remove, okay? No extension here. And the important thing is to know where this file is. So if you are on Windows, Linux or macOS, well, the program is the same. You create a file and you have to know where the file is. So either you have a relative path from your Python program here, or you have the absolute path. I'm going to create a variable now, file name is equal to, and put this absolute path here. And I'm going to double the backslashes because we are on Windows. So if you have backslashes, you need to double them. All right. So once you have located the file, to remove it, what you can do is you can first import. So I'm going to import at the top of the program the OS Python module. So this is a built-in module, and this is going to allow you to remove the file simply by doing os.remove and then file name. So look at that file here. I'm going to run this Python program, and you can see the file to remove is gone. But now the thing is that, let's say I try to run it again, we have FileNotFoundError, because you are trying to remove a file that doesn't exist. So what you can do, and what is usually a best practice, is actually when you want to remove a file, is to check first if that file exists. And to do that, you can do if os.path.exists with the file name. Only if that exists, you are going to do os.remove file name. Okay, so this is going to work now. So the file to remove is not here anymore, but this is going to run without any problem. Okay, and if I add new file, which name is file to remove, okay, and I can run that one more time, and you can see the file to remove is now removed. So if os.path.exists with the file name, then you do os.remove with the file name. If you liked this video, subscribe to get more tutorials like this in the future. Also check out my online courses so you can learn Python step by step in an efficient way by practicing and directly going to the point. Links in the description. Thank you for watching, see you in the next tutorial or in one of my courses.